boy, Ian the Man, BoatTuber, and welcome back to another video. Today we are playing we're playing this game again as last time, and we unlocked a brand new BMW SUV X5, I think it is. And next we have this Mercedes. It's pretty nice. Then we have a Porsche, then a Cadillac Escalade, then a Audi Q7, then a stuff, you know. Okay. So let's go with the obvious new BMW. Go to Copenhagen. That's where we left off. Final level. Okay. Let's do this. It seems like a small, I don't know if you remember, but we had the small BMW and this reminds me of it, so yeah. I feel like we should have our lights on, to be honest. Okay, blinkers. Last time we did pretty bad, but we'll try to do better this time. You could turn off the blinker. Oh god, it's actually pretty fast. So I have to keep my speed low down. It's good. Okay. So guys, we have to stop here, and I can't see the light, the traffic light, so I have to be here. Oh, okay, I didn't see that. Turn on sport. Oh god, sport is fast. Wait, it's on Instagram here. Who the heck is your... What the... What? Okay. Just checking my Instagram while I have to go just forward. Okay, pedestrians, not going there. Guys, do you like this game? I don't know, I like doing videos about it, but yeah, there are better games than this. Just saying. It's not really a driving school game, this is just like drive around, drive place to place. Driving school is more of like, there are actually obstacles, like you try to reverse into spots or stuff. Yeah. It's more like car parking. I'm playing a game, that's what I'm playing. Okay, and hopefully this map is not as long as the last time. Don't know if you remember, but it was like 16 minutes long. Go check out last episode. It was pretty fun. Well, not last episode, but last video. Having pretty much fun. But yeah, it was a very long video. Okay, let's go. And by the way, I'm making another, I have another Zoom with my boy, Dash Luleway. Okay, this car can't control the speed limit. Oh god. I have my blinkers on. Oh god. Oh, it's because I have my sport on. Jesus. Okay. Be careful. Oh no. Make sure we don't crash. Keep on going, keep on going, keep on going, keep on going. I don't know. Okay, we are good to pass. Pass. Alright.
Yay, clear weather for the first time ever.
That was a freaking sandstorm. Okay, I don't know if you remember, but
Oh my god.
I have an ad on my computer.
So big, it started like trampoline went flying a bit.
Really?
Yeah?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay,
It started like going off.
turn.
Yeah, it started like off the feet. I was like, are you being real with me, weather? Like, that's my trampoline. Like that.
I was supposed to stop. Let's go, another song. Let's go. I don't know if you remember last time, but not last time, but like a few videos earlier, we had like a Mr. Beast intro song on, and some of you actually liked it. So, like that you liked having music on the videos. So.
What's that say?
I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make this landing. I can't see the runway. Yeah, oh, I just passed it. No, I haven't passed it. I just passed the warning light. And I crashed.
Hey, feeling good, like I should.
And you tell me all around the neighborhood, feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Oh God. This car isn't that good for these parking things. Oh no. Yeah, I'm good. And I'm not good. Everyone falls down sometimes. You just gotta know it'll all be right. Okay. More songs. Bitches love around or chip. Some people hate the song, some people like the song, and some people love the song, and I like the song. I don't really like the official video, but I like kind of the video. Well, I meant I don't like the official video for the music, but I like the song. Okay, next song. Oh, this one is a good song.
Yeah?
Yeah? Oh God.
Yeah, like that. Yeah.
It's talking.
Everyone says that. Everyone's always like, I'm like,
Freaky Friday. I like this song a lot. It's my favorite song. Freaky.
Yeah?
Yep. I'm crazy.
My mom says I know I can go out and play.
FaceTime Kanye.
Yeah?
Yeah. Oh, you idiot. Well, I was the idiot, kind of. Nigga, put up my nigga. Cubs not a nigga. Pussy ass nigga. Pussy ass nigga. Put my nigga. My nigga, nigga. Oh, my nigga. I woke up in Chris Brown's body. Somehow this shit turned into Freaky Friday. This is sideways. There's also a good song. Wait for it. Oh, not this. Stupid. Okay, I have to drive. Okay, I'm good.
Yeah,
Let's go.
my mom said that I can go out and play with you.
Right now.
Yeah, basically anytime I want. She just said, where am I a bit? Can you play right now?
I am not sure. But I'll ask my parents, but now I'm doing the video.
Dad?
Yeah. Yeah. You have you're low Wi-Fi because you're outside. Guys, and sorry for, I don't know if you remember last time, but I had a very long video. So today I'll make a pretty short video. So I want, right. Okay, let's have some peace now, let's say. Okay. Oh, come on. What the hell? Okay, this BMW doesn't know how to brake. It has pretty bad brakes. Flip. Oh, Jesus. Hell, oh Jesus, that was real too fast. Okay, finally, here we stop. Let's go. Oh, come on, add. Oh, she's ugly. Oh, she has, okay, good, now she looks better. She just has way too many eyebrows. I mean, oh my God. Yeah, eyebrows. He's calling me, guys. Yeah?
Dude, are you allowed to play today?
I don't think so. Well, I'll ask my parents, but now I have to finish off the video.
Yeah,
Guys?
but just say, so if they, you know what, wait, can your viewers hear me?
Yes.
Can they not hear me?
Okay. Sorry, guys, but you won't hear him. Yeah. No, my parents will probably let me. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. You have to wear a mask, so okay. Are you gonna be outside my house? Oh. Yeah, then I'll call you, okay? No, when I'll ask my parents and I'll tell you the results, okay? Yeah, I'll end the video off right now and then I'll tell you, okay? Okay, peace. Okay guys, so it looks like I'll have to end the video here because I don't have time. But, wait. I want to end it off, oh God. I will have to do this test ride right here. The test ride, so let's go. Let's hop right into it. Okay. Because we have to test ride this car with some speed. Oh God. Okay, this car doesn't have good brakes. Okay, let's test out the brakes. Yep, not that good. No. Acceleration is good though. Okay. Let's test out the drifting ability. What the heck? Okay, drifting ability is bad. But yeah, guys, we got the brand new car. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Well, Whoop.